The two types of reproduction are sexual and asexual. First, I'm gonna explain sexual reproduction, which is basically when the sperm fecunds the egg and the fecundation process is realized. The principal difference is that in asexual reproduction, we only need one parent. There are different types of sexual reproduction, such as autogamy, external and internal fertilization. Internal fertilization is the fertilization of the egg by the sperm within the body of one of the parents, usually the female's one, which means sexual intercourse. External fertilization is basically when a sperm cell and an egg cell join outside of the body. The autogamy or self-pollination is the fusion of male and female gametes by a single individual. This is usually seen in plants in hermaphrodite flowers. Now the disadvantages of sexual reproduction. First disadvantage is that it takes time and energy to find a mate and reproduce. Reproduction through sexual means is uncertain because maybe the male or the female can be infertile. Other disadvantage is that you don't know certainly how many child or how many cats or animals you would have, which means more money or in animals case more resources. Other disadvantage is that the baby could born dead. Now the advantages of sexual reproduction. The most important advantage is that it creates genetic diversity within species in difference with asexual reproduction, because if, for example, in asexual the wrong mutation occurred, the entire species would eventually disappear. Other advantage is the genetic variation that lead evolutionary and advancements. Literally, this means that the babies or these creatures are more complete, which means they are prepared to pass through different difficult situations in ecosystems, diseases, etc. It can encourage the growth of brain cells. In asexual reproduction, a parent essentially clones itself to create an offspring. Both are individuals but copies. In sexual reproduction, sexually active creatures experience brain growth comparatively to creatures that are not sexually active.